sure where I'm going to put this lot. Like the wavy flaggy bit. So what I was thinking was I would continue the white stars up over the fin, but also thinking about it, could put a couple over on this wingtip. That would look pretty cool, and maybe a blue bit there, just a blue wavy flag bit to emulate similar to that. I don't want to overdo it. Can you actually overdo? Can you overdo a Mustang? I don't think you can. There we go. So I've got 4 of the slightly bigger ones, maybe a couple of the big ones, and then a couple of the little ones. I'm not putting any decor underneath. This is purely, how about that? What if I put a little one on the front like that? No. And that'll go on there like that. Do you know what? I'm thinking it might look better just with 2 on it, like that. Could look quite nice. Yeah, let's do that. I was just thinking, actually, looking at this wing, maybe a little star there. Let's just offer it up and have a look, just to see. Right, that's heating up. So while that is heating up, let's just put that over there. And we'll have a look at the big star. Oops, I think that one can go. So what was I saying? Maybe one big star in the middle, small either side. I'll need one more small star then. Right. All right. Okay. Now, got to cut some little red stars. I think possibly I'll just try a little sprinkling down the nose here under the exhaust stacks. And there. That's kind of like nose art. That's as much as you're going to get. Yep, I think that's done. Okay, she's ready. I've got everything in. It balances on the CG, which is pretty much on the main spar, just there. Looks pretty level to me. I've got ailerons, a bit creaky on this side, so it's probably elevator and rudder, plenty of rudder, and throttle. Now I'll bolt the prop on. That will give me a little bit more nose weight, of course. Haven't done the spinner yet, but she's ready to go. Finished, looking quite fancy, I think, in her colour scheme. What do you think?